You've heard about AI, artificial intelligence, but if during an informal conversation in a bar someone asked you, "What is it?" are you sure you'd get the right answer to provide to that person? Hello, I am Adalberto Abadi, and in this channel I'll help technology professionals to develop their careers and avoid the uncertainties and risks that may arise along the way. If you are looking to understand how to advance your career and quickly solve your daily IT problems, then subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and turn on the bell to receive notifications. There is also a version of this video in Portuguese and Spanish. Click here in the card above to see them. In this video, I will talk about what artificial intelligence really is. This video will be the first in a series where we will talk about the AI types, applications, and some examples, and even build one here without needing to know programming. Stay tuned for notifications and the channel playlist. Well, a lot of people talk about artificial intelligence, and people also talk that robots can someday swipe away the work of humans. Is still someone who could talk that one day the machines will replace and annihilate all the humanity by killing and enslaving all of us. However, does artificial intelligence replace the human being in all aspects? Can we say that this is really intelligence? Let's see. First, let's define what is intelligence. According to the Cambridge Dictionary, intelligence is the ability to understand and learn well and to form judgments and opinions based on reason. In this way, we can summarize the understand that intelligence is the ability to learn. I will give you a very quick example. We can all say that a rocket engine scientist is a very intelligent person because she can make engineering decisions and as a result create a super sophisticated machine based in all the knowledge accumulated by years. From the same manner, and at another stream of thought, we can also refer to a dog as an intelligent being. Why? Because you can teach the dog to place the place to pee or some tricks, and it will repeat without the need to repeat it again and again and again. Until a few years ago, many people made the mistake of saying that computer programs were very intelligent because they performed human tasks faster and better than these, which, in my opinion, is a very big mistake. After all, the same program, in their vast majority, performed only pre-programmed routines. If the person who programmed made a mistake, the computer program would avoid error and would continue repeating this error until some human being fixed the routine of this program. Computers and systems only gained the ability to be really called intelligent when, through mathematical models, they were able to obtain the ability to learn. And it is possible for a computer to understand something that we teach him? Yes, I tell you there is. And that will be the theme of the next video in the series. After all, learning something is an attitude that depends only on internal calculations inside our brains. All the times we do this calculation and we can evaluate the results that we get from our actions and give the decisions based on these calculations. I'll give you an example. When you build a puzzle, we usually try one piece, then try another, then another one. And when we see that the drawing takes some shapes, we try to establish a pattern that increases our number of hits. As we approach the end of the puzzle, it becomes a lot more easier to fit the pieces than the beginning. Here in this channel, we will teach you as if without any programming knowledge and since you're home, how to build in just 20 minutes an IA program that can learn some matter of subject and after that chat with you by text as it was a person. But before I do it, I want you to leave the comments if you really want it, and when we reach 200 comments from different people, I'll put this tutorial online, so you will be able to create your own artificial intelligence inside your home, using your own computer. Good, doesn't it? Some of you now can be worried thinking, okay, if my computer can in 20 minutes learn something and teach me about that, for sure computers will take over the world. It has no limits, right? Are we lost? Please calm down. Remember that an animal can also be called intelligent. In addition, normally an animal also have more strength than us, and despite this, we never been enslaved by elephants. Personally, based on more than 20 years of my experience in technology, I can guarantee you that the world ruled by machines would never exist. Artificial intelligence is about to serve humans, just as animals served us in the past. Computers can make our work easier and faster. An animal who worked in a farm did it too. But I never saw in history that an animal decided to own the farm and to enslave the farm owner. This is completely true. And what is true too is that horses, bulls, and even elephants had been used extensively in all wars by ambitious humans. An animal never decides by itself to go to the war, but if the human being who controls it decides to do so, it must follow what his owner tells it to do. So, the day when the world could be like the Matrix movie where machines will enslave human beings will never come, unless there is in the control of this machine or system some human giving the orders for it to carry out tasks of domination and war. Artificial intelligence is devoid of feelings such as ambition, lust, envy, or anger. This is why in this channel and all in the work that I do, I always put the human being as the focus. If we want to make a better world, we must improve the human being, instead of caring only about technology. Now, it's your turn to tell me, do you also think that we will live in a dystopic world dominated by machines? Or that all this technology will allow us to improve the quality of our life, stop with this disease, the hunger, and let us have more time to embrace the ones who we love? Leave your comments below in the video and look at the selection of books I recommend you about artificial intelligence here in the video description. Give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who thinks he knows what artificial intelligence is. Read the content of this video on the blog www.abade.com. Thanks and see you in the next video. Bye bye.